Hello dear learners, how are you all? So here is a question from CBSE sample paper 2023 to 2024. This is the latest one. Let's discuss this question. The median of the following data is 50. Find the value of P and Q if the sum of the frequencies is 90. That's a good one. Okay, so that means here the sum of the frequencies, this total is given to us, that is going to be 90. Median is given to you, that is 50, lying in the median class 50 to 60. I think that, so yes, this is going to be the median class. Let's find the cumulative frequency, which is going to be here the first one, it is P, then P plus the second frequency 15, then P plus 15 plus the third frequency 25, it will become P plus 40. This is how you will keep adding and going forward. So this is 40 plus 20, P plus 60, it will become P plus 60 plus Q. So you can write P plus Q plus 60, and here's add 8 more, P plus Q plus 60 plus 8 would be 68, and then P plus Q plus 68 plus 10, 78. So here is your sum of the frequencies also, like in the last one, which is already given to you. So you can make a equation from here, that is you can write that P plus Q plus 78, that is going to be sum of the frequencies, which is already known, that is going to be 90. Now finally you will get a equation P plus Q is equal to 90 minus 78, and P plus Q is equal to 12. So here's the equation first. Now let's figure out the values from the given table. This L is supposed to be the lower limit of median class. What is that? Look at this. This is the median class 50 to 60, and the lower limit is going to be 50. So let's take 50 as lower limit. Now height of the class, that is going to be upper limit. Any of the limits you can take, like 30, 40, 50, 60. So upper limit, let's say I'm taking 30, minus lower limit of the same class 20. This is going to be the height, that is difference between the the class mark, that is going to be 10 here. And then further, of course, you will have to choose the frequency from the median class, right? That is going to be 20. Okay, fine. What else we need is value of n, that is n is the sum of the frequencies, here it is n. Now after taking frequency is equal to 20, you have to find the cumulative frequency CF. And you know what, here's a glitch. You can't take the frequency from the median class. You have to take the cumulative frequency one preceding from the median class, that is P plus 40. Now you can take CF as P plus 40, right? Now look, we have to figure out the formula of median. I think you already know, that is L plus of n over 2 minus CF, cumulative frequency, and this whole thing will be divided by frequency of the median class and also multiplied by h. Okay, fine, let's put the values. You already know what is median, right? It's given in the question. 50 is equal to, what is L? 50 again, plus what is n? N is the sum of the frequencies, that is 90 over 2, minus this is CF, which has two terms, P plus 40, right? So let's keep it in bracket, P plus 40. Okay, this whole is being divided by the value of F, frequency of the median class, that is 20, and this whole value will be multiplied by the height, that is 10. Now see, this 10 will cancel 20 simply in 2 times. Here this 50 will go left side, will get subtracted. Okay, so here you will get 50 minus 50, 90 over 2, that is 45, minus P minus 40, this whole divided by, of course, 2, because this 10 cancelled 20 in 2 times. Now here on the left hand side you have 0, equal to 45 minus P minus 40, so minus P plus 5 whole divided by 2. 2 will go to the left side, that means you will end up getting negative P plus 5 equal to 0. Finally you will get that P is equal to 5 from this equation. Now do you remember there was already one equation in the beginning? Okay, that was P plus Q equal to 12, right? Now you already know the value of P, that means P is 5 plus Q equal to 12. So from here, what is Q? Q is equal to 12 minus 5, that is Q is equal to 7. This is how you will find the median. Well, what about the mode? I think you can try by yourself.